17 Air is rumored to be Apple's thinnest and lightest smartphone yet, measuring just 5.5 millimeters in thickness. This ultra-slim design aims to offer a minimalist aesthetic without compromising functionality. Interestingly, the iPhone 17 Air may feature a single 48 megapixel rear camera. Welcome back to Try Tech AB. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series. From design overhauls to technological advancements, there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. Apple's iPhone 17 lineup is generating significant buzz, with leaks suggesting notable changes across the board. This year, we might see 4 distinct models: the standard iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and an all-new iPhone 17 Air. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be Apple's thinnest and lightest smartphone yet, measuring just 5.5 millimeters in thickness. This ultra-slim design aims to offer a minimalist aesthetic without compromising functionality. Interestingly, the iPhone 17 Air may feature a single 48 megapixel rear camera, marking a departure from Apple's typical multi-lens systems. Leaked images suggest a significant redesign in the camera module. Moving away from the traditional square-shaped bump, the iPhone 17 series might adopt a horizontal, pill-shaped camera bar, reminiscent of designs seen in some Android devices. Reports indicate that Apple may replace the premium titanium finish with aluminum in the iPhone 17 Pro models. This shift could be aimed at improving durability and reducing costs, offering a fresh feel without compromising on quality. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to be powered by the new A19 Pro chip, delivering enhanced performance and efficiency. Additionally, these models might incorporate vapor chamber cooling technology to manage heat during intensive tasks. All iPhone 17 models are rumored to feature ProMotion displays with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smoother scrolling and more responsive interactions. This technology, previously exclusive to Pro models, will enhance the user experience across the lineup. Apple is reportedly developing its own 5G modem chip, which could debut in the iPhone 17 Air. This move aims to optimize connectivity and reduce reliance on third-party components. Additionally, all models are expected to support Wi-Fi 7, offering faster wireless speeds and improved network efficiency. The iPhone 17 Pro models are anticipated to feature a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, a significant upgrade from the current 12 megapixel sensor. This enhancement promises sharper images and improved zoom functionality. As with any major redesign, the leaked iPhone 17 images have sparked mixed reactions. While some fans appreciate the bold new direction, others are skeptical about the changes, particularly the horizontal camera layout. With these potential changes on the horizon, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be one of Apple's most innovative releases yet. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest information as it becomes available. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.